I wanted to start doing a new series on client success stories. So basically explaining the situations and the clients we helped, what we did, why we chose the bank we did, how we structured the loan, etc., to get an idea of the kinds of loans we're doing and what we're seeing in the market. So today we settled a loan for a client and a friend of mine. They're buying an owner-occupied place in Melbourne. Purchase price was just over $1 million, and they wanted to borrow 80%. Now, fortunately for them, both him and her had relatively straightforward incomes. They had strong incomes, decent savings, so no need to get too creative when it came to finding a lender, which gave us basically the pick of the bunch to effectively choose the lender that's going to fit them best from a price point of view and a structure and feature point of view, rather than being limited to certain lenders who offer certain policies. So in this instance, what we effectively do is we look at the 50 or 60 different lenders we work with. We effectively price them all up against each other, especially the ones that offer the features they wanted. These clients really wanted an offset account, so obviously we filter out the ones who didn't include offset, and effectively present the options for the lenders that meet the policy requirements, in which case there were none, meet the product requirements in terms of offset, redraw, variable loan, and effectively outside of that, they wanted a bank that they'd heard of, and they wanted as good a rate as possible. For them, we settled on ING. Now, ING had some fantastic rates going on at the moment. 80% LVR was 5.24%, which included an offset, which is pretty crazy. So we got that done. Loan settled today. Again, not every deal we do is based on price, but for these specific clients, because their situation was relatively strong, we had the luxury to shop around and shop based on price and features. So for them, we found a fantastic solution, price and feature based, 5.24% with ING.